Okay, if anybody knows Megahone, I'm buddies with her. And yeah. So she's gonna make a video. Or I'm gonna be in it. No. I have to post this video because yeah. Okay, welcome back. Sorry. I'm gonna do an adventure, which is Return of the Fiend.
We all have different ways of dealing with nerves.
It'll just be a few more minutes.
Some people chew their nails. Some people tap their feet. And some people imagine they're being interviewed by renowned sportscaster Jim Nicholson.
Hello, friends. Every sport has had an icon who transcends the game. Boxing had Ali, basketball and the sport of sleeping with random hotties as my next guest, Barney Stinson. Barney, welcome.
What is that?
Good to have you with us. And, you know, the stats, they really speak for themselves. Over 200 women spanning 6 continents, 17 nationalities, 74 sexual positions. I'm a single fatty. It's impressive. Hey, with all these accomplishments, though, there's one laurel that's always eluded you, which brings us to last week. What was the story there?
Buckle up, Jimbo. This one's a doozy. It all started when I decided to set myself a little challenge.
Oh, my God.
Whoa, he's calling his shots. Whatever girl I'm pointing to right now, that's who I'm going home with tonight. And... play ball!
Hey, how's the date with Dale go? You know, sometimes that guy with the horn-rimmed glasses and a Smurfs t-shirt is just being ironic. Sometimes he is a dork with a lazy eye and a love-hate relationship with Gargamel. Just because a guy talks a lot about a fictional character on a first date doesn't mean he's not husband material.
Sasquatch isn't fictional. That was quick. So night one was pretty routine.
Jim, there's nothing routine about the way I get down.
Respect.
Take us to night two. See that hottie over there nursing a black Russian? She's about to chase that with a white American up top. You know, if you're not careful, you're going to lose me.
Hey guys, what should I say when Dale calls for second date?
How do you know he's going to call?
You're cute, Marshall. But I
Okay.
think everyone knows when
Turn
a
off
dude's
the
digging the
intention.
show. I mean, he couldn't keep his good eye off me.
Well, let him down easy. People are fragile.
Okay.
Sometimes without even meaning to, you might rip someone's beating heart out and stomp on it in a room full of 26 people.
You
Teachers assistant.
try
School code today.
it.
Something bad happened.
It was
First class in the new semester. Jamie Adamick,
glitching.
Ryan Blowett. Well done. Adding a fake name to the sign-up sheet, that's real original, guys. You know, I'd expect inspired minds such as yours to be a little more mature and, frankly, more creative. I mean, seriously. What kind of a fake name is Cook Poo? Come on, guys, it's got to at least sound real. Cook Poo. Well, the classics, right? Seymour Butts, Huge Erection, those were fake names, but Cook Poo? Cook Poo!
She's back here, bro.
Let me have it, bring on all the Cook Poo jokes.
Oh, we're not gonna make jokes this time. Let's go watch
Can
the
you try?
You guys finished?
Yes, if all the food is out of my system. Wow, back-to-back nights, Barney is on fire. That girl's lucky. Barney was the best sex I ever had.
He's the best friend I've ever had.
He's everything I want Marshall to be.
He's everything I wish I could be.
I'm just assuming that's what they say when I'm not around.
Hi, Bonnie. You're awesome.
Now, night three. Paint us a word picture. Jim, I could tell I was on a roll, so I decided to mix things up a little bit. I think I'm gonna go small boobs tonight.
You're disgusting.
Really, they're people too.
Here's your burgers.
know how Lily and I have been looking for new couple friends ever since we lost Robin and Barney, and Ted and Stella, Ted and Robin, Ted and Victoria. Geez, Ted, when are you gonna get your life together? How did we end up here?
We went on a great double date last night. We were cool, we were casual, we didn't spaz out.
And then one tiny little detail came out, and the whole night was ruined.
Joanna's toothbrush flips off the side of the sink, hits the ceiling, and falls right into the toilet.
That's crazy. Last week, the same thing happened to our toothbrush.
Our toothbrush?
Our toothbrush? Our toothbrush?
Like one toothbrush?
That you both use?
Every day?
Is that weird?
Super weird. Marshall, 4 out of 5 dentists just threw up in their mouths.
Hey, check it out. Barney's sleeping with another girl. Wow, 3 girls in 3 nighs. That's gross even for Barney.
Gross. Are you kidding? He's on his way to a perfect week. Don't say it.
Jinx it.
Jinx what?
I was on my way toward a perfect week. The perfect week. 7 nights, 7 girls, 0 rejections.
It's incredible. I mean, it's really like the sexual equivalent of baseball's perfect game, but even rare.
Yeah, the only player in history to have ever achieved both was Mustache Pete Drexel back in 1896.
Now, this wasn't the first time you'd come close to a perfect week. You learned the hard way, though. One mistake, and it's all over. Sometimes the teammate makes an error. Sometimes one wild pitch,
You, me, the canned food aisle of a bodega next door.
leads to a walk. And sometimes you just lose focus. And almost always leads to a hit. But this week you were 3 for 3 with no sign of slowing down.
I could do no wrong.
Wish I could say the same for my friends. Cook didn't show up for class today.
I'm sorry.
Cook?
Yeah, we know like a ton of people named Cook.
Yeah. Cook. Who?
Here we go, the dreaded Dale call. Oh, it's my mom.
She's going through some pretty major league health stuff. Why would that guy call? Wait a minute. You want him to call? No. Shut up.
Okay. This one, that's a trick. You only have to do that little guy.
Years ago. You should know we lived with you. Yeah, we always kept your toothbrush in the bedroom. Also,
She can get that one. I'll get the hard one first. I don't want to get this one. I want to get the hard one for her.
Wait,
This is the hard one, by the way.
that for 8 years, all 3 of you shared one toothbrush.
Okay. I got ya.
so you're through 4 nights. You're over the hump.
It's over here, by the way.
Hey, I try. I know you. But then came night 5. And you're in trouble.
What's up?
Okay. Sorry. Not that. Okay. Here we go.
How's Barney doing today? Cool as a cucumber, just like he's been all week. Really? Why? Apparently this big merger.
Okay.
Last week, and Barney's been blamed for it.
Oh, that's weird.
Let's water some plants. Oh.
For the guy, I didn't find out until-
Bye. I have to end. Well, I'm not gonna end this video. I'm gonna. Okay. She opened the door, so the Arctic Wolf door, and I got a dragon mask.
Well, you ignore good dental hygiene for the better part of a decade. You
Okay, I got this. And thank you for watching this video. I seriously love it when you guys take